MakeCode Minute today, I wanted to show you something that is really useful and quite simple to do, but really an elegant way to improve some of the visual quality of your games that you make with MakeCode Arcade. And this is the flip image block. So here's what I'm going to show you. Here's a cute little character I have in a game here, and all my game does is I can move this character with my arrow keys. And you will notice I have two little sprites here, or actually one sprite that has two different directions it can go depending on the direction of movement that I'm doing in the game. And so the way to do this is to use this image category block that's called transformations, flip picture horizontally. And so what I've done is, I can zoom in here a little bit. On start, I'm creating a sprite, and this is what this sprite looks like. In fact, I can zoom out a little bit. So rather than try to mirror it in the sprite editor, we don't actually have a mirroring tool in the sprite editor, so you'd have to kind of redraw that or go to a different tool and import it. So there's actually not a convenient way to just transform the image itself during the sprite creation. However, that's no problem. We can have the game only store one sprite, which is more efficient, and then transform it for us during gameplay by using that flip my sprite image, is the block I'm using to refer back to my sprite's image horizontally. And then I've just set up a little bit of logic that says there's a variable called facing right, and that's false to begin with. If I hit the right button, then I am facing right, and I flip the image horizontally. If I press the left button, I am not facing right, and so we go ahead and flip the image back and forth. And so it takes care of all that mirroring transformation for you, and you can see it's really fast. I know my frame rate's a little slow on broadcast, but it's lickety-split, really fast, and a nice way to add a little horizontal flipping effect to your sprites inside of MakeCode Arcade, and that is your MakeCode Minute.